So if you're a church and you've started live streaming, you know how important it is to have volunteers helping out. Well, in this video, I want to show you how Shiloh Ministries is using an auto tracking camera called the Simple Track 2, which automatically can follow the pastor on stage, making the job of volunteers that much easier. Let's check it out. In this video, you can see how Shiloh Ministries in Mercer, Pennsylvania has set up and optimized a Simple Track 2 auto tracking camera inside of their house of worship. The Simple Track 2 is an auto tracking camera that is ideal for large spaces because it features a 20x optical zoom with the ability to automatically track a subject on stage. This allows you to mount the Simple Track 2 up to 55 feet away from the stage and still capture close-up views of your pastor during services. When you are setting up a Simple Track 2, you have a couple video options to consider. First of all, you can connect this camera directly to any computer using a USB 3.0 port. This is ideal for Zoom meetings, where your pastor wants to stay connected with an online audience. You can also use the USB connection for simple streams using a software like OBS, for example, to live stream a sermon to Facebook or YouTube. The Simple Track 2 also features an SDI connection, which is much better for long cable runs, where you're going back to a video production area. SDI cables generally require an SDI to USB capture card or video hardware switcher to use with a live streaming software like OBS, Wirecast, or vMix so that you can connect to Facebook Live, YouTube, or Zoom. The camera also features a DVI video output from the camera, which can be used with HDMI-based video switchers. Many churches like to use the HDMI output of the camera to feed a confidence monitor so that the pastor can see where the camera is at all times. The DVI output can easily be converted to HDMI and used with video production systems like the ATEM Mini, which include a USB output that you can connect to your computer for live streaming and video recording. Most churches wall mount the Simple Track 2 on a wall that is out of the way like this one here. The Simple Track 2 can be powered with the included power supply or a power over Ethernet injector like this one from PoE Texas. Once installed, you should also connect the camera to Ethernet. The Ethernet connection allows you to control the camera remotely. Once everything is set up, you can easily connect to the Simple Track 2 to work in your church and have a cameraman that is available 24/7 whenever you want to record a video or produce a live stream. Back at your computer, you can run the HuddleCamHD Simple Track 2 software to set up the auto tracking parameters. This is a once and done setup process, but it's helpful to have your pastor present so that you can tweak the tracking speeds to their presentation style. For example, if your pastor likes to walk around a lot, you may want to dial in the tracking sensitivity and pan speeds. When you first set up the Simple Track 2, you will also want to set up a tracking zone. This is used to tell the auto tracking camera where your pastor will be walking around. If there's a projector or a television on stage, you can use the blocking zones to remove those areas from the tracking parameters. While you are in the software, consider the framing you would like to use for your subject. You can have the camera track your pastor with a close up, head and shoulders shot, or you can use a full body shot that shows head to toe. To do this, you need to set preset 0 as the entire stage and preset 1 as your close up frame. Once this is all done, you can click the track button and you're all set. Now your media volunteers can leverage an auto tracking camera that will always be following the pastor during services. This makes video creation and live streaming easier to operate, but also more engaging for your viewers. You can schedule a free Simple Track 2 demo at the link below if your media team or church leadership would like to see the camera in action. So what'd you think? Auto tracking cameras can really make live streaming more engaging, help you keep your viewers, and maybe help stop losing viewers to some of those mega churches with large video production budgets. So schedule a free demonstration of the Simple Track 2. We'd be happy to show you this camera in action. Also, by the way, I wrote a book called Helping Your Church Live Stream, which can really help you engage volunteers and learn about different live streaming softwares and techniques. We are happy to send you this book for free. So just fill out the form below if you're interested in getting this book for free and also getting a live demonstration of the Simple Track 2. We'd be happy to work with you. That's all. Hit that like button and share this video with someone at your church who might be interested in getting that Simple Track 2 demo with you. Take care. Bye.